The hours, $1.
Okay. As you guys might not know, but in Circle K we have something called the Membership Recognition Program. And the way the MRP works is basically the club will reward you based on your hours, but you don't only get rewarded at the club level, you get awarded at the district level as well. And there are different levels. There's like bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. And they have different criteria and different hours, but that's what Eileen's position is all about. She's all about rewarding you guys for your hours and teaching you guys about what criteria you need to fulfill the MRP. So, what we're going to do is we're going to be calling names, and as your name is called, if you could please line up to the front, and you'll be presented with these awesome Zelda-themed MRP buttons. And so they have different hours counts and stuff, so as your name is called, please come up and stay up. Can we get Michael Bernabe? Brenda Bree, Nancy Hui, Deborah Chung, Andrew Dan, Anson In, Yip Kai Singh, and Wen Soon. So, if you guys can face forward real quick. So, these individuals have completed 10 or more service hours, and so, as a reward for them, they have the 10 hours button. So, congratulations, you guys. And Brandon Fun. Congratulations, you guys. You guys can have a seat. Thank you for your service.
I love you guys.
All right. So, next up, I'd like to invite Michael Chung, Wesley Kong, Andy No, Murray Nguyen, and Teresa Tran, and Tina Vo up front. To recognize these individuals for their service, they have completed 25 or more service hours, and so not only do you guys get the 25-hour button, you also get the 10-hour button. So congratulations, you guys.
I look out here.
Thank you for your service. You guys can have a seat. Next up, I'd like to invite, let's see, Victoria Lau, Danica Soto, and Eileen McDuff. Oh shoot, you got okay. It's okay, it's okay. Yeah, up front, come on up front. To recognize these individuals for their service, they've completed 50 or more service hours. So not only do they get the 50-hour button, they get the 25-hour button and the 10-hour button. Thank you, guys. Okay, next up, I'd like to invite Triana Creighton, Shin Chen, and Tommy No up front. So to recognize these individuals for their service, they have completed 75 or more hours. So they get all the buttons all the way up to 10 hours. Thank you guys for your service. Okay. Next up, I'd like to invite Leon Chung, Yasmin Garcia, David Lovera, Andy No. Wait, just kidding. Oh, I'm sorry. sorry. Okay, Leon Chung, Yasmin Garcia, David Lovera. Yeah, those three individuals. Can they please come up stage? To recognize these individuals for their service, they have completed 100 or more hours. No, yeah. Thank you, guys. Okay, and last but not least, can I please have Kyle Labrigo, Anna Hernandez, Susan Kang, Vicky Louie, and Kimmy upstage. And so, to recognize these individuals for their service, they have reached 125 or more hours. So congratulations, you guys. You guys did all the Okay. And so for your guys' information, the MRP goes as high as 200 hours. So between now and the end of the administrative term, which will be February, and the end of February, beginning of Marchish, if you guys can reach 200 service hours, you can collect all the points. So, yes. February 25th is the last day to earn service hours. So, February 25th. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for your service.
Let's have a round of applause for Andrew Tom doing the most service in the club of over 150 hours.
Thank you.